How to create Google Forms step by step for beginners. Hey guys, in today's video we are going to walk through the process of creating Google Forms. Perfect for beginners who want to collect information, conduct surveys or create quizzes. So let's dive right in. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to click on Go to Forms. Here are some templates. As you can see, the first template, it's contact information, party invite, t-shirt sign up and event registration. Let's create a blank form. Click on this plus icon. Here you need to type the form title. Let's type the title of our page. Once done, here you need to add a question. Let's type first question. You can change your answers from here. You can select short answers, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes and drop down. Let's click on short answer. You can add one more question by clicking on this plus icon and here you will write, have you subscribed? And we'll keep it multiple choice. Let's type the first option. If you want to add one more option, click on add option and write your answer. You can import your question, add title and description. You can also add images and videos to your question and you can also add sections. Let's go to response section. Once you click it, your response will be accepted and once you close it, your responses will not be accepted. You can also link it to sheets. Once done, click on send and here you need to type the email you want to send to. You can also collect email addresses. You can copy the link and send to your friends on WhatsApp. You can also send them through email by typing their mails here. You can also write a message. Once done, click on send and your form will be sent to everyone. And there you have it. You now know how to create a Google form from scratch. It's a versatile tool for collecting information, conducting surveys and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.